Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to fix unable to verify app and internet connection is required to verify trust of the developers. So guys, when you have downloaded and installed any app on your iPhone like Scarlet, and when you have opened your app facing this type of issue again and again, I'll help you how can you remove this error and how can you open your app smoothly. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, you have to go back on your home screen, and guys, now you have to open your settings. And guys, first of all, you have to click on Wi-Fi. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. The main problem of this error is weak internet connection. So guys, you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. And if you are using mobile data, select 4G or 5G network on your device. And after this you need to go back, and guys, now you need to scroll it down. Here you will see the option of general, and guys, you need to click on VPN and device management. So guys, if you have connected any kind of VPN, here you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this you need to go back, and guys, after this maybe there is network problem, so guys, you have to reset your network settings from here. And guys, now you have to go back and click on language and region and select your region according to your country from here. And guys, after this you need to go back. So guys, from here you have to set your date and time on automatically, and guys, now you need to check for software update, and you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys, after doing all these settings you have to go back, and here you will see the option of screen time. You need to click on it, scroll it down, click on content and privacy restrictions, and you have to turn it on. And guys, from here you will see the option of allowed apps, and make sure that you have allow Safari browser. So guys, if it is disabled you need to enable it. And guys, after this all the problems will be fixed and you will be able to open your app easily. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.